Yo, what's going on, guys? Shazza here. Sorry I haven't uploaded for a long time. It's because can't really edit for a while because my camera is not working. But sorry for the shit quality. I'm using my phone. How bad is that? But
wait, let me check.
Sorry I haven't done.
Yeah, it's pretty bad quality.
Yeah. But it's better than. It'd be better than my other one. It's not like my old account one, but
it's better than no videos.
Oh, that was true.
That's true.
Sorry, that's true. But guys, I'll try and get a lot of videos done. Oh, I'm sorry. I might not even be able to, like, if this video does go on upload, you'll see this. You'll hear me say it. But guys, I did do a video, but I didn't upload because it's hard on this fucking phone. But guys, this is a short video. I might be doing a few videos today on this shit camera, but, you know, what can you do?
Really? You have to copy everything.
Guys, let me quickly show you what we've been doing. Kobe's just about to upload his video.
Yep.
Kobe Cruz. He's staying over for the night and oh god.
Sleepover!
He's editing. He has to edit so much. Like his editing is way more different to mine.
I don't edit my videos because I don't know
He
how.
doesn't edit, but he like uploads it like that. It's just I don't know.
Which really sucks.
And yeah, so this is like my room. I got this new trophy from bowling. I only got it a couple of days ago, and there's like my trophies. Skull, TV, and I got guys. Also got. If you noticed, I had that crappy controller. Like some of you, but I got this new controller. I got like one of these for $1. One for $59.
Another one for $59.
But it's worth it.
60.
It's worth it, mate. I'm just showing you, man. And they've got stuff in here like some stuff. Some just clothes and this is where I usually put my usually setup. I have paper and that's where I make up games. If you didn't notice, I do make up games. Check out my gaming thing because I did create a couple of games. And you know the Escapist?
Really?
You know the Escapist? I want to try and copy it. So I can make a game like the Escapist. They can call it something like the Escapist and make it sort of the exact same. If you know what that is, I can make like
3D.
I can make like The Sims 4, like something like that. I can just name it different something else. I have made a game sort of like the Escapist, but maybe on the next video or something I might show you it. But this is just like where like my gaming setup here. So if I make board games, I put it here. But I do computer and I'm gonna show them in the next video.
Yeah, I usually always take
So this is my room, guys. It's so hard to end this video. Like, I didn't know the camera would.
I have to let it download. Oh my god.
Sorry about the camera, but guys, please leave a like and subscribe. And no, I failed it. Please leave a like and subscribe.
Comment.
Peace.